welcome to Simply Scrapping. Narelle here, and today's video I am doing for the 30 days of sketches with Christy's Beautiful Life, and it's day 3. And our sketch today, which I'll pop up on the screen, is by Sinetta Seekins, and it's a really cool sketch. So the big world map in the back, I don't have anything for that. So I've got the perfect paper though that I'm going to substitute. So this is definitely a sketch that I'm drawing inspiration from, not necessarily recreating, but I will be using elements of it on my page. So my photos are of the Conqueror Challenge medal, my first medal that I got with that. So if you don't know what the Conqueror Challenges are, they're basically walking challenges or exercise challenges, and you pay to enter the challenge, and then at the end you claim this gorgeous medal, and it's made of metal and they're enameled and they're really gorgeous. So this is the first one that I did. I started at the start of the year and I got the Paris medal, my first one. I'm now just completed my third and 60% through my fourth, so they're a little addictive, and they cover all sorts of things, but the reason I'm doing them is to get me motivated to walk, to exercise, get a little bit more fit rather than just sitting and doing stationary things. I'm trying to be more active, so these are phenomenal for that. I've now got my son and daughter involved as well, which is amazing. Haven't quite convinced hubby to join in, but we're getting there. Alright, so the paper range I am using today is an old Stampin' Up range. I have no idea what it's called. And the reason I picked it, and I knew I had it in my stash, is because of this map. Now that's as close as I'm getting to the sketch for the map, but I do have bits and pieces that are plane related. I've got a world here, and I've got arrows, and then of course a plane on a tag. So that is what I am using. I've got other bits and pieces here that I may add in as well. I don't know yet. I'm just going to go with the flow as I start creating. So I'm going to speed you up now, and then I'll be back at the end. Enjoy. Okay, there is my completed layout. To me it's really busy, but it's done. I'm going to document the memory. Down here is my journaling saying this is my first Conquer challenge, and I found it really fun. And I don't know, I'm not a fan of this layout, but you know, we're our own worst critics. So anyway, it is done. I just kept adding and adding, and I've got something stuck under that enamel dot. It's like a hair or something. Let's get rid of that. Yeah, so I only had the where was that? There. I only had the embellishments from the cutout that I cut out from the sheet of paper, and then had to find others in my stash that sort of went with it. So I was going for the colours mainly. I was glad I found the aeroplane. I struggled with placement on a few elements, but you know, it's working sort of. I think this puppy sticker, I wanted it like as an achievement banner, I guess, is why I wanted to add it, but I didn't like the saying here or the saying there, so I'm happy that this sticker fitted in the middle there perfectly. And then I found this something positive chipboard, and it covers up the words there perfectly, so that works. Anyway, that is my layout. It is nothing like the sketch. Let me bring the sketch here back against all my rubbish here. Nothing like the sketch, but I have taken inspiration from the sketch in that I have my heading up the top, even though it's more to the right. I've used a map in the background. I have like an embellishment cluster down here, and I've got an aeroplane on there, so that's as much as my copy of or inspiration from the sketch. Sorry, words are hard. And my photo here, which I've got two, but anyway, that is it. I'm going to stop saying anyway. If you've liked this video, please give it the thumbs up. If you're not already a subscriber, please consider subscribing and hitting that notify bell so you know when my next video comes out. And if you have any comments or questions, please pop them below and I'll come back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching, and until the next one, have a scrap happy day. Bye bye.